Welcome back. Chief Officer of Margao Municipal Council Bhigui has assured that the Sonsodo project at Margao is carried out within the legal framework and as per the approved plans. Bhigui has said that the project is monitored under a committee headed by him and it will be one of the best projects. Village group and some NGOs had some apprehensions about the hill cutting, conversion sanads and other aspects of this ongoing project.
Village groups and NGOs had some apprehensions about the ongoing Sonsodo project at Margao. They met the Chief Officer of Margao Municipal Council for clarifications. They also visited this site on Tuesday.
Construction approval, conversion sanad, because the construction has started there, it has to have a construction approval, it needs conversion sanad. So all this, if a board was displayed, when there is no board displayed, an apprehension is raised among the public.
The permission is saying there is a land cutting board. No. The permission is saying it's a land cutting, but whether you are doing a hill cutting.
Chief Officer Bhigui has made it clear that the Sonsodo project has not violated any norms and it will be a prestigious project in Goa.
This is a project of great concern for the people of Margao jurisdiction, and it is a unique project which will be one of the best projects in the entire nation. That I can assure you. And that there are some they are asking for some hill cutting and but we have seen that we have got a monitoring committee where I am the chairman of the monitoring committee and my colleagues are engineers are there, some businessmen are there, and other my municipal engineers are there. And we have seen that whatever the project work is going on, it is as per the approved plans. They have got some apprehension because prima facie it looks like that some hill mud has been stored or on the top and something like that. But it is to be terracing or leveling for purpose it is required.
A reporter from Margao, Savio Dias.
East Bengal is one of the biggest clubs in Indian football. The Kolkata Giants, however, failed to behave like professionals during their I-League match against Salgaonkar Sports Club at Fatorda on Thursday. The incident involving brawling players left some chairs broken in the Nehru Stadium dressing room. The indiscipline showed by the East Bengal players was a shame to the illustrious club.
The 4-0 defeat by Salgaonkar Sports Club was a blow to East Bengal's chances to win the title. According to sources, the East Bengal players were upset at half-time itself as their captain Mehtab Hussain was sent off for 2 bookable offences in the first half. According to sources, the fight in the dressing room was triggered by an argument related to this red card. The result of the fight was destruction of the Nehru Stadium dressing room chairs. The incident displays sheer indiscipline by the visiting players. The All India Football Federation should act on this incident and punish the culprits so that the club players should understand that they have to behave like sportsmen off the field as well. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media.